As early as tomorrow, we could learn the fate of Joseph Daniels as he stands trial for murdering his son, Joe Clyde Daniels.
Both the state and defense rested their case today. The defense did so without calling any witnesses or entering their own evidence. And in a major new development, we also learned deputies just wrapped up a search near the Daniels family property. This after a private investigator found what he believes is a car fragment near the home. News Channel 5's Chris Davis starts off our team coverage in Charlotte.
At one point, counsel in this trial thought it might take 2 to 3 weeks to get through this case. Instead, they're wrapping up closing arguments Friday morning, and then the jury will decide. In the meantime, the state tried to give a little bit more evidence to the jury into why they think this should end in a guilty verdict.
It was sent to his mother.
And what does this text message say?
It says, "F this world. By the time you see this message, I'll be 6 feet under."
The prosecution began the day by showing the jury elements they pulled from Joseph Daniels' phone, including a text message where Daniels referenced suicidal tendencies to his mother after he may have learned his wife Crystal was having an affair. The prosecution also showed Google searches where someone on Daniels' phone searched for how to take secret paternity tests, plus airline and bus tickets to where the man allegedly sleeping with his wife lived. But the defense pointed out the state can't prove Joseph knew about the affair.
And you don't have any evidence that he actually read that dialogue.
I do not.
But you're still going to tell the jury something he didn't read and something he didn't know about was motive for him to do something bad.
Mr. Daniels could have read that. Mr. Daniels may not have read that. But this is a very explicit exchange between two individuals, and Joseph is married to Crystal.
Meanwhile, the defense tried to prove that the TBI stopped following other leads after they got the now recanted confession from Joseph Daniels.
If you're trying to find a child, would you not want to use canines to try to ascertain that?
We would want to use everything, and we did. We used every method after review that we could think of to help try. At the time that he was reported missing, we used every available effort.
So it all comes down to Friday. Closing arguments, final instructions to the jury, and then 12 men and women from Chattanooga will seal the fate of Joseph Daniels. In Charlotte, Chris Davis, News Channel 5.